I've not done an intro, this is the first time talking to the camera, so I've just left the bikes there. I think we've cycled in 8.5 miles. Leave the bikes here, we're on foot now to go to a bothy. Now we're on a wee bit something different the day. We're actually looking for a wee recce in this bothy for a future date. So we're just going to see how it is. The cycle in wasn't too bad, really good. I believe we're on foot now and I believe this is really boggy, so I say the conditions can change obviously for when we're going to come here. It's an absolutely beautiful place, it's absolutely stunning. I'm out with Paul, I'm out with Donny, and that cycle in took us an hour and 40 minutes. It's probably been quicker than that, but we've been filming and messing about with the drones and stuff like that. So I'll bring you back in a bit. So I've been walking for 15 minutes since we dropped the bikes off. Really boggy path. It is boggy. You just need to pick your route through it. I believe people do leave the path, head down to the lock side and go along there. But I think we're just going to soldier on through this. The weather's been absolutely fantastic today. We are expecting some rain. It's been dry. I think it was a wee bit spitting when we got out of the car, but it's been dry if I'll cycle along there. Actually really warm. there you go. You've not already recognised where we are. There's the bothy we're going to. I believe it's just the right hand side bit we can use, Paul. Yeah. So that's our wee recce. We're going to go in, have some lunch, and then we'll take it from there, see how it goes. But so far so good. Like a pro.
Exactly.
When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel, skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special, but I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts, I wanna have control. I want a perfect body, want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. And she is running out the door. She's running, she runs, she runs, she runs. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special.
That's us back at the car park where we started this morning. That was 46 minutes, cycle back. No video, no droning or nothing. Just straight back, so that was absolutely ideal. Great day had by all. Fantastic day. The weather was really kind to us. We were forecast for showers and cloudy all day, but the sun's coming out. Cracking bothy. Watch out for the next video where hopefully it will be at the bothy. So I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
That had been away, haven't changed, had much to say, but man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. I told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy.